coded, nice audio cues, it's really easy to interpret as a pilot. He comes here from right to left for his configured pass. Big difference here, we're not going to put it out, we do have one, but from afar. As you see here, he's got his weapon bay doors open and you can spot the white on the bottom of the plane.
So what sort of weapons is the J capable to carry?
So, velocity vector for the old people, a little bit nose up, and then we'll go through his Avalon rolls nice and quickly. For this maneuver, but it's pretty slow, so 160 km an hour or whatever you did on the highway to get down here and clear your traffic. Pretty good.
Cameras at the ready.
Generation, it was still very much, you did dogfighting, bombing.
Anything's possible.
We think he's landing. We'll wait till the wheels are down just to make certain. There we go.
Yeah. I think he's complete for the day. Yeah, 35.
We'll take a break.